Let's dive in and take a little look at this strategy on the pound versus the Swiss franc here this morning. Let's walk through what I was looking at here. This is the 1 hour time frame. Now, what we like to do is like to use the bigger time frames, whatever they are. If you're swing trading, you want to be up at those weekly, monthlies and entering on those dailies. But if you're day trading the markets, looking for those short-term momentum moves, which are great for those morning trades, then you need to be down to the 4 hour, 1 hour time frames. You can see here on the right-hand side. Now, what I want you to do, you might not be able to see the candlesticks clearly, but I want you to just look at the storyteller waves. When the price gets really high, the storyteller extends really high, it peaks out. And then you get the three-wave divergence here, okay? So we get signaled a three-wave divergence. Basically what divergence means, and which is a strategy I've been trading for like over 20 years now, is that price is not going in the direction of where the momentum indicator is, in this case our storyteller. You see the price coming down, making new lows here on the 1 hour, but the storyteller is turning yellow. We get those yellow lines kicking in. And most important thing about these lines is they give you the heads up. They come and they signal on the chart before the price even reverses. So the bigger picture, step number one, is looks to see where the greater force is. At this point, it's in the 1 hour time frame, and price is making a new low, but the storyteller is making a higher low. All right, that's the basis of divergence here. We call it a three-wave. Now, that's fine, and that's where the momentum is pushing. It's likely saying it's going to push up here. Now, these push-up moves could be anything from 50 points. This one was 40 points here, and it's still going. To well over 200-point reversals. So what we want to do, and why we have such a great success rate with our students, is we risk small to make big. Now what we want to do then, and the way to do that, is then to come down to the smaller time frame, like the 5-minute chart. And now we're looking for what we call a trigger to get into what we've seen on the right hand side on the bigger time frame. And in this case, we get the pro trend system and storyteller turning green. So we get green over here, and then we get green here. Now, we don't want to be trading this rubbish in the morning time. This is overnight while you're sleeping. And then we get the European session, London move, London momentum. We fire the green PTS, we fire the green storyteller, and the market does the reversal that we expected on our bigger time frame. Okay, so a really nice move here. And if you're doing anything from 20 to 40 points in the morning, and you're trading position sizing with spread bets, anything from £5, £10, £20 a point, you've made a very nice income from looking at these momentum moves, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet, okay, in the morning. So now the summer's come in here, we're looking for these early morning moves, and then that's it, we're done. And then you can come back in the afternoon if you want to and trade the US Open. But really these early morning moves is what we're trying to scan for in the morning and look for those trades generated by that bigger time frame, which really does then push that smaller time frame in the 5-minute. Keep it simple, guys. That's why we have our colors here. We're trading with colors. We're trading with the systems here at Trading College, which help us tremendously keep it simple. Okay, speak to you soon, guys. Take care.